Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the 5 best PC emulators for Mac that you can use to run Windows apps or other operating systems on your Mac. Let's get started. First up is Parallels Desktop. Parallels Desktop is one of the most popular and powerful PC emulators for Mac. It allows you to run Windows and other operating systems smoothly alongside macOS. It's known for its performance, easy setup, and deep integration with Mac features. Next is VMware Fusion. VMware Fusion is another top choice for running Windows on Mac. It supports multiple operating systems and is widely used by developers and professionals. It also has a free version for personal use, which makes it a great alternative to Parallels. Third is UTM. UTM is a free and open-source emulator that works especially well on Apple Silicon Macs like M1 and M2. It allows you to run Windows, Linux, and other systems using virtualization or emulation. Fourth on the list is VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a completely free and open-source virtual machine software. It supports running multiple operating systems on your Mac and is a good choice for beginners or students. And last is Play on Mac. Play on Mac is a bit different. Instead of running a full Windows system, it allows you to run Windows apps directly on macOS using a compatibility layer based on Wine. It's lightweight and useful if you only need specific apps or games. Now here's a quick tip. If you want the best performance and easiest setup, go with Parallels Desktop. If you want a free option, try VMware Fusion or UTM. And if you just need to run a few apps, Play on Mac can be a simple solution. Each one has its own strengths depending on whether you want performance, flexibility, or a free solution. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.